Hi, I'm Samantha and I'm a video artist currently based in London. My practice is now completely digital and I post my work online on social media such as Instagram, YouTube and sometimes Twitter. And this is my Instagram, it's at Samantha_Harvey. I'm going to show you my current website. This changes on quite a regular basis, but at the moment I have digital portraits of some of the work I have made. I use lots of digital tools in my work, combining photography, video, sometimes illustration, and I'm currently learning 3D programs, so I'm starting to integrate this into my work as well. I use a variety of Adobe programs such as Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and I also use Cinema 4D and an augmented reality app called Adobe Aero. These you do have to pay for, so I would also recommend using programs like iMovie for video editing, and then for 3D you can use Unity, Unreal Engine, Spark AR, which you can make face filters on, and you do need a Facebook account for this. And I also do use face filters that are already available on free apps like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and photo editing software that a lot of smartphones already have available and are also great to use. I'm a big fan in using freely available open source digital software, and if you are interested in using digital tools for being creative, especially in artwork, these are really fun ways to explore your practice and test out new ideas to see what they look like visually. I like the challenge of using these tools and also being part of a networked space in sharing and using apps that are recognisable to lots of people. This is my Instagram page. As you can see, I have quite a lot of different types of work and I'm always testing out new ideas. I'll just show you a few things, run through them. One thing in particular that I've recently made is a video I worked on for Piers James. He's a musician, and I worked on some of the 3D design. Show you this.
Yeah. Lights, camera, action. Look how she start acting. Oh, she's into fashion. I could not imagine. I want. Please, where are your manners? Like, tell me, where's your fan from?
This was a really fun this was a really fun project, working with a large team and using new skills in a way I haven't done before for a live project. At the moment, I'm interested in creating digital portraiture through a Femme technological perspective. This takes into account a feminine perspective of incorporating our new technological digital landscapes and seeing portraiture in new ways. I wanted to share a few videos with you at the end of this presentation. This is my YouTube channel. The first video I will show you is an observation of face tracking algorithms and asking what control we have over this data and these systems. It's called Auto-Tune My Senses, and it's a video trying to comprehend the advancements of algorithmic tracking technology in a visual, accessible language and what it means for the human within that. Becoming quantified sets of data through tracking programs using available videos online that showcase the technology on YouTube. These studies rarely imply what effect they will have on the individual themselves, or the implications of consent, and if and how this is given.
circuit screen, and all magazines told the story of me. I was divine, I was the sun, and I told myself it was real. I knew you were watching, how could I be myself? How could I be myself? I knew you were watching, how could I be myself? How could I be myself? In my dream I was light, I streamed through the lens and lit up the eyes and the lives of my friends. The wind and the tide were at my command. I told them to wait for me, wait for me. I knew you were watching, how could I be myself? I knew you were watching, how could I be myself? I knew you were watching, how could I be myself? You knew I was
saw were names on a list. I found my own and I read it aloud, just to be sure I exist. In my dream I was somewhere I've never been, there in the frame at the edge of the scene. You said when you wake you'll know what it means. Told myself that I did. You knew I was watching, how could you be yourself? You knew I was watching, how could you be yourself? You knew I was watching, and that made you someone else.
I'll show you these videos in a minute, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching and spending time at Pontoon. I hope that these have been helpful in some way, and it's really great to be able to share these with women who are interested in digital art or just digital in general. I would say that the digital art scene, it is very male orientated, but I wanted to show you that you can start with very limited free technology and be incredibly creative with these tools, and you have a platform to think about problems and visual solutions in new ways. The second is called Asphyxiated Algorithms and is an observation of the self and our relationship to algorithms and our emotive relationship to algorithms. This does have an accompanying text piece that you can click if you go on the video, but here's a short excerpt from it, and this is helpful to understand the context of the video. So the text piece: I believe in the power of the smartphone in hand, its grip of dominant invisible tentacles wrapping themselves around my heart, self-control and nerves, attaching itself to the very core of my belief system. It says something about technology, but also our asphyxiated or inhibited behaviour comes from deep within us, from a place of being locked on to our own desire, strangeness and absurdities.